guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do another unboxing video, and this is the last unboxing that we are doing for the month of July. So I just received yesterday on the mail the Cohorted Beauty Box. If you don't know anything about Cohorted, this is a monthly beauty subscription which retails for £35 plus shipping. You do get free shipping within UK, and you get an additional cost if you are outside of UK. So the box is shipped all the way from UK. You do get a mix of full size and travel size products on this box, and also you get a mix of drugstore and high-end products. This is my favorite luxury subscription box so far, and I wasn't disappointed until now. I just had a sneak peek on the box yesterday, and I have to say that for this month I'm a bit disappointed, and you will see why. One thing I would like to add about this subscription: if you are going to subscribe, you'll get a free gift for the first month. So you use the code Cohorted Gift Me, and you will get, I think for this month, if you are subscribing, you will get a Deuce eyeshadow palette. However, if you subscribe now in July, you will get your first box in August. And this is basically how it's working. You are all the time paying in advance for the next month. You are charged between first and third day of the month for the next month. However, you can skip a month or more if you want so, and you can cancel anytime. So this is one thing I like about this beauty subscription, that you can skip a box if you don't want to get it for a certain month. I didn't had my Cohorted box for the month of June, and since the last time I got it, I've seen that they changed the packaging. Now you get a box, a normal box with a lid. They said they changed their box to be more ecological. When I open the box, I see that I have this booklet, which is more a magazine, tells you more about the products that are inside, the total value of the box, and the price for each product in part, and also there are some other information about the brands that are included on specific month. And this is what is inside. First product that I see here, it is a clarifying Pink Fizz T-Zone Bubble Mask with sweet cherry extract from OK. Pink Fizz T-Zone Bubble Mask retail for £3.50. This is one fun but effective product with its gentle auto-bubbling action, helping lift dirt and dead skin cells away from the skin, while the antibacterial and vitamin-rich sweet cherry extract cleanse, brighten and improve the skin texture. Okay, so this is our first item. The second product, it is also from OK, and is the Purifying Pink Clay Sheet Mask. I really love that we have got those masks, because I can take everything on the go for vacation. I really need more masks while I'm at the seaside, because I'm tending to break out more excessively because of the seawater. I don't know exactly what it's doing to my face, but it's crazy. Purifying Pink Clay Sheet Mask retails for £5. First and foremost is the Purifying Pink Clay Sheet Mask, infused with a layer of pink clay to deliver a deep cleanse. This mask is great as you get the intensive detoxifying cleansing powers of a clay in a mess-free, easy-to-use sheet mask, formulated with not one but 3 natural clays to purify the skin and reduce the appearance of pores. Perfect for a pampered night. Okay, that's cool. I never had a clay mask in a sheet form delivery formula, so for this I'm really excited to try. Next product, it is by Patchology, and is Flash Patch Wings A Kiss 5 minutes eye and lip gels. and you get 2 pair of eye gels and 2 lips gels. So this is our third product, and here are the sample of how the patches look like. Flash Patch Wink a Kiss retails for £10. The perfect pair for a pamper night. Patchology Winks and Kiss eye lips gels are quick fix after a long week at work. You can kiss goodbye to dry lips, as these gels will provide deep hydration to quickly moisturize and soften your pouch. Using niacinamide, peptides and green tea extract to soothe and deliver anti-aging benefits. So this is our third product, and it's also a skincare product. It is a mask basically, and I think I have another iPad from Patchology, from other beauty boxes, probably from Look Fantastic. Anyway, this is something which I'm looking forward to try really soon. Maybe even for my birthday, which is Sunday. Today is Friday, 19th of July, so on 21st it will be my birthday, but I don't know exactly when this video will be up. It might be probably to be up after my birthday, depending how much time I have to edit. The next product that I see, it is by Bali Balm, Sandalwood and Ginger. And the product looks like this. Okay, so this is a lip balm mixed flavor and retails for £20. Quite expensive guy for lip balm. A luxury lip balm for both men and women. Its rich, intensive formula is vegan and 100% natural, also containing plant oils high in antioxidants and antibacterial properties. You will get one of our 4 flavors, which have been artfully curated in conjunction with London and Chief Russell Bateman. Each Bali Balm tube is a smooth fusion of botanicals and spices, perfected to absorb quickly and lock in moisture without leaving a waxy film on the surface of your lips. Okay. Ooh. Cool. Wow. I really love how it's packed. The packaging is really luxurious. You are tempted to believe there is some jewelry inside. Okay, so we have here some paper to cushion the actual product. I have in Sandalwood and Ginger, so this is the actual spice. Wow. I can feel the scent of a ginger. It's really spicy, but smells really nice. I bet it's also really nourishing. Okay, so I'm looking forward to try this product. I think it's really nice. Next product, it is a perfume, Agent Provocateur, pure aphrodisiac of the perfume, and you get here 2 milliliters. I forgot to say, but this, I think it is also full size. Let's find this perfume. So this is BDK perfume in Tuberose Imperial, and we don't get any price, so I suppose this is a bonus. But it's really nice that they put a bonus on the actual leaflet without giving you an actual value for it is. Top notes of this perfume, it is pink peppercorn, geranium of Egypt and geranium of Egypt. Heart notes, tuberose of India, ylang ylang of Comoros, sambac, jasmine, iris and jasmine of Egypt. Ooh, I think it's really cool. Base notes are cashmeran, sandalwood, incense of Somalia, vanilla of Madagascar, patchouli of Singapore, benzoin of Sumatra and cypresses. Let's see. I'm not wearing any perfume so far, I just took a shower. Okay, I will try on the other hand where I don't have the actual ginger lip balm. The scent, it's out of this world. I cannot describe it, but it's my type of scent. It's really sweet and on the same time spicy. I really love it. The next product are actually 2 products by Aromatherapy Associates, and it is Revive Morning Bath and Shower Gel. I think I have another one of these from the Look Fantastic. And Aromatherapy Support Brit Bath and Shower Gel. Let's see how we can use this. I haven't used the other one yet. Morning Revive Bath and Shower Oil, 9 milliliters, retail for £11. Each one retail for £11. For a perfect start to the day, use the award-winning Revive Morning Bath and Shower Oil with the invigorating power of grapefruit, rosemary and juniper essential oils. Help awaken your sense for the best kickstart to the day. Active ingredients: neroli, grapefruit and juniper berry or juniper berry. How to use: massage the oil onto your torso when then cup your hands and bring them to your face and inhale deeply 3 times. Step into a warm bath or shower and enjoy the benefits of aromatherapy. We still have 4 more products. The next product that I have, it is really exciting for me, and this is by Herbal Dynamics Beauty Rose Water Calming Face Toner. I really love when I get a toner on this format because it's more easy for me to spread it all over the face without using a actual cotton pad. This contains aloe vera, green tea, witch hazel and chamomile. Rose Water Calming Face Toner retails for £12. I believe this is a travel or deluxe size. It contains key ingredients of rose, green tea, chamomile and witch hazel, which helps to soothe and calm the skin. Rose oil can help to improve the effectiveness of any beauty skincare treatment. Plus, aloe vera and hyaluronic acid deliver instant hydration for a fresh, youthful complexion. Okay, so this is our face toner, and for this I'm really excited. Next product, it is also by Herbal Dynamics Beauty Volumizing and Smoothing Rapid Lip Mask retails for £26. Get fuller looking lips that last for hours in just a few minutes. Extract the Kiss Me Now flower and a natural peptide stimulates hyaluronic acid synthesis for plumper and softer lips. How to use: on clean lips, apply generously to lip area only, not outside of the lip line. Leave for 3, so it's some quick treatment. This is really exciting. Leave for 3-5 minutes, removing with a cloth or tissue. You will feel a moderate tingling sensation while the product works. Follow with a lip balm to retain moisture. So you can get here more flavors. Let's see which one I got. And you get 15 milliliters, which I suppose it is a full size. Also, comparing with the price. Yeah, it doesn't say here, but it has some fresh berry, strawberry, or forest fruit flavor or scent, which is really nice. I'm really excited to try this product, and I will report back whether it does what it claims and also how long it lasts, the plumping sensation. The next product, it is something which I never had before, and it is by Perfume Blue Plasma Cleansing Treatment. I think it's the last product from the actual booklet. Oh gosh. Next time I will read it on order because it's really crazy. Why I cannot find it? Okay, we have here a legend. Page 30, okay? Perfume Blue Plasma Cleansing Treatment, 59 milliliters, retails for £15. A blue gem that targets your every need from cleansing to makeup remover. The 3-in-1 no-rinse treatment deeply cleanses as it gently exfoliates and conditioning, leaving skin instantly radiant with the help of biospecific peeling technology, hydrofusion technology and hyaluronic acid to also plump the skin, leading to a more youthful looking, softer complexion. Paired with micellar molecule to trap pollutants and unclog pores from deep within, this treatment leaves you with rebalanced and hydrated, smooth skin. I never had this kind of product, and I have to admit that I'm really curious now to try and to see if it really does what it claims to do. Okay, we have one more product, and this was the sneak peek for this month. This product alone retails for £40. It is by Jorgobe or Yorgobe Hydrating Glow Serum, and you get here 1 fluid ounce, which I suppose it is the full size. Okay, so the bottle looks like this. Yorgobe Hydrating Glow Serum retails for £40. So this pays for the box and for shipping. This serum is a nutrient-rich combination of botanical oils that aim to improve skin elasticity and protect against premature aging. Your skin is left with a beautiful, radiant complexion. It has a high concentration of essential fatty acids, strong antioxidants, and powerful vitamins to provide a nourishing, regenerating, and firming effect on the skin. The lightweight formula is quickly absorbed and it's a true hydration boost, ideal for dry and dull skin. How to use? Apply morning and night on clean skin. Place 6-8 drops in the palm of your hand. Gently rub your palms together to activate the serum. Massage the serum into your face and neck using gentle circular motions. Now, I told you in the beginning that I'm a bit disappointed. I'm not disappointed because of the product that I got. I think they are really fantastic products. Only this serum alone, it is beyond fantastic, but we didn't get any makeup product. This is another month from Cohorted Beauty Box that we are getting only skincare. I think we also get in April the Fix and Rouge line to morning skincare. Now we don't have a specific line, but we have a lot of skincare, and I have also, I'm overloaded I don't know how to say, but I have a lot of skincare to use, so I could use skincare, this is no doubt, but also I need some more makeup, so I'm not sure exactly if I will get the next month. I've seen the sneak peek is some eyeshadow palette also by Juice Cosmetics, which is really tempting, but I don't know. Guys, let me know in your comments down below whether if you are excited about this beauty box. It is my favorite so far. I like it more than Look Incredible Deluxe box because you are getting more products for the same money. So definitely it's worth trying. Not a bad value for this month. Actually, it's written here. The total value it is £147.50. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did so, please give it a thumbs up, and also if you didn't subscribe to my channel, I would like to remind you to do so, and I want to thank you in advance if you are doing this. I will also put on the screen some other videos that I would recommend you to check, and other than that, stay tuned, share it with your friends, and I will see you on my next video. Take care, bye!